लोग हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते,
नमस्कार,
वनकम,
नमस्कार,
खुशामदी,
सलालेकुम,
सत श्री अकाल,
మీకందరికి వందనము,
जय स्वामी नारायण,
जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय जनेन्द्र।
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते याली मदद।
मलाली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी मंदिर को बोलेंगे नीसा बोला बरजन। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैसे फालतू बाबा।
And of course myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम that's going to make your आज क्या है Thursday totally
My
exciting.
God, what happened?
You know this shutdown dude has just gotten me like living
know,
in the moment, so I really
know.
don't count the days.
I was so happy to hear all the news from White House. So even all good things are happening. Even now, President Trump wants to get out of White House.
What?
Yeah.
Is what really?
Yeah, he's saying
Is he resigning?
that's what everybody's hoping for, including me. But the point is, no, he just wants to come. He's been cooped up for so many days, I believe. The whole of March, he only got around 6 or 9 visits.
Oh.
So his White House aides are actually busy trying to find a schedule for him where he can actually go out and spend some time, meeting healthcare professionals and everything. My goodness.
Healthcare professionals.
Probably he'll go meet some people and just say, he wants to get out. Come on, he can't be cooped up inside the house for such a long time. But what's happening to all people? Everybody's right now getting on the roads right now. You know why, right?
Why?
They got tired of staying cooked up in the house, man. They're like
really?
Trump. They require entertainment.
Oh, wow.
Come on, seriously.
Well, there's a new study being done right now. I don't know if you know about that, but there's a book that somebody has brought out as to how Americans, you can get the support of Americans as long as you don't impose restrictions on them.
Oh my God, is that true, Fadhrani?
Yeah, the general mindset is you get the solidarity and the support and get this country to rally together. The people always rally together. But if you impose too many things on them, they're going to push back. So
well, that's such subjective. I don't think it's true. People have taken Trump on them.
What?
He pushed so many things on people.
That's true, actually. Yeah, well, but that's because they willingly accepted it. They thought that he's bringing America back, bringing jobs back to America. Remember?
He was going to MAGA, right? He's going to go to MAGA.
What is MAGA?
Make America Great Again.
Okay, anyway, let's go on.
Anyway, but let's go see what's happening with the roads with our traffic update, which will bring to you guys by Jan. Of course, if you want to catch up in detail about what we share with you guys on air, you know where to find it. That's right, on our news blog, MediaMahima.com. And this is the traffic update for you guys.
It's time for the Bandu Traffic Update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
That's our Bajan 408-912-2479. What was happening around for you guys? You can always come back and you can, share with us if at all you're on the roads and Fadhrani. Well, actually, the thing is, the roads looking kind of, not too bad at all. I think I'm totally digging the way the traffic is. I hope it can remain the same way.
Right.
People choose to stay and try to work from home as opposed to go. When you get a chance to opportunity to work from home, please take it.
I know.
I don't know why people don't take the advice and do it. I think there was a reason behind why they invented this particular thing of came up with this thing. Technology came up and they made you work from home, right? Take it, utilize it. See, now realize that you don't have to actually go to the office anymore, right?
Right.
So this roads can be the same way. Probably if people come back to the working when the economy opens up, right? What's going to happen, Fadhrani? I think probably we might see a little bit of traffic on the roads. Because majority of them don't have to go to the workplace at all.
Actually, especially in the Silicon Valley, all the tech workers, you really don't need to go into work. Unfortunately, many of them want to go back to work. You know why? Because they're working more than what they would work at work.
That's true. And second thing is the perks of actually working in a place like Google or whatever, the fact you won't get it at home, right? Well, you have free food coming to you.
Yeah.
You got to go. They give you have a snack bar which you can go eat at.
Why is it that it always has to do something with food?
It does that. It does motivate only with that, Fadhrani. They get to socialize the coffee place. They have those food bar. Many companies actually offer free food, right? That's a huge market actually.
Right, that's true.
But what I don't like about the fact that doesn't encourage the small businesses, Banajan. That's why I don't actually am not for it. In fact, if at all they were to promote a small business and carry their snacks in the restaurants, that's a different issue. I would say great. No, they carry the big guys bars, all those energy drinks and all that stuff.
Right.
Anyway, the point is you guys decide what you want to do, but let me give you some updates. There's actually disabled vehicle on 101 southbound at Marine actually on San Francisco County Lane. There's one lane is affected there, and traffic seems to be affected also. There also is a severe traffic alert because of a hazard on 880 northbound south of 84 in Fremont area. The right lanes are blocked over there. And San Jose having some kind of traffic congestion, but there's no accidents there. So something which is, interesting to note that there's congestion going on there in spite of no traffic also. Let us see if we can get more information for you. This actually is on 880, intersection of 880 and 280. Oh my God, people actually are trying to go for shopping, I suppose, Faltrani, or trying to get to the, trying to get to the beach.
Oh.
You never know. Weather is nice.
I know that in some counties have started opening up their beaches and parks. Like in Ventura County in Southern California, I think they opened it up yesterday or
Good
day
for
before
them.
yesterday.
Good for them.
Yeah. And then slowly other counties. I don't think Santa Clara County is planning to right now, at least.
That's okay. That's fine. In fact, I'm totally getting used to the COVID-19 shelter in place thing. It's very interesting.
Huh.
I'm getting used to it. So whenever I get used to something further, there's always a shake up.
Huh.
So I'm getting used to it. Suddenly something will come, will totally shake up the whole thing.
Okay.
Anyway, Bajat, we are going to be prepared and be ready for the fact that there's going to be a second wave also coming up. We'll talk more about the news for you guys. But abhi ke liye, let's go into our Gaane Ka Keeda Chalana for you guys. And ye Gaane Ka Keeda aapke liye, Bajat, is something I picked up for you guys, which is a message for everybody out there, saying that, at this particular time when we have adversities, right, always important to come together. And that's what actually helps us thrive as an organism as well as a total big organism. But come on, don't think that your organism is just the one person or human being.
Or the virus.
Or the virus.
Yeah.
Well, if you look at the virus also as a collective, right?
Huh.
See, we don't say, it's that particular one virus is a fault.
Huh.
Similarly, it's not just one human being. It's everybody. The whole humanity has to come together. So here you go, Vijay. A nice song for you guys to set aside all those selfish attitudes and think about everybody else. Be in service of others. Banja. This is the song from the movie Jawani Janiman. Bandhu tu mera, 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 mera.
खुद गर्जियों से भरे आजा लम्हे चुरा ले सभी कल की करे हम क्यों फिक्र साथ लम्हे बिता ले अभी ना तेरे कोई वादा ना थोड़ा ना ही ज्यादा आना है तो आजा क्या है सोचता बंधु तू मेरा मेरा है तुझसे दिल का वास्ता तेरे संग होने से I'm always happy, happy, happy. ओ बंधु तू मेरा मेरा है तुझसे दिल का वास्ता तेरे संग होने से I'm always happy, happy, happy. बाटे खुशी गम की डगर साथ रोए हंसे सपना सफर ओ बाटे खुशी गम की डगर साथ रोए हंसे सपना सफर बेढंगियां बदमाशियां साथ होने से लगती सही है मगर है उठे गाना में अपने कई फसाने आ गाए मिट्टी गाने क्या है सोचता ओ बंधु तू मेरा मेरा है तुझसे दिल का वास्ता तेरे संग होने से I'm always happy, happy, happy. ओ बंधु तू मेरा मेरा है तुझसे दिल का वास्ता तेरे संग होने से I'm always happy, happy, happy.
of course, but that was a beautiful song for you guys in the voice of Yasser Desai. It's a nice voice. I think I like his voice. It's kind of, yuppie and nice. What do you think, Faldrani? What's your take on this?
I really like this guy's voice. I think Yasser Desai has also sung another beautiful song.
He has a few good songs to his credit, but generally, kya hota na, everybody gives a song to Arijit Singh.
I know.
Anyway, Arijit Raho. But the point is, I want to say that, this should also give opportunity to other singers as well.
They are now. A lot of other singers are singing because I think Arijit has become prohibitively expensive.
Prohibitively expensive. Oh my God, these kind of big words, Barjan.
I think
we need to bring back a spelling bee so I can polish my words and I can give you some. You have to have this vent for yourself so you can actually, get all those words hiding into your brain, right?
Oh, you gave me a great idea.
Always, Faldrani, I'm the person who churns out the best ideas, Barjan.
No, you did not churn. Okay, tell me what the idea was.
What?
You gave me a great idea.
When you put salt and into a sabji which doesn't have any salt in it, what happens to salt? So the sabji, what happens to sabji? Sabji becomes tasty.
Salty.
No, sabji becomes tasty.
So,
right? So salt is a catalyst to make a sabji which is bland tasty. So I am like salt. Like when you have bitter coffee, you put some sugar into it or creamer. I'm like the creamer or sugar, a little bit of sugar or creamer.
Okay, I think we should get into the news. Thank you. You're like
See,
no, you just will not give due credit where it's due. It'll always be about you.
Okay, fine. You want credit for 35? I'll give you credit. Chalo. I'll give you credit for 1 year. APY, whatever you call it, is like, you could give me
annual percentage yield in case you didn't know what that was.
Yeah, that's yield for me, right? That's going to be something like around, let's say 0.2% for you.
You are pathetic, Altu Baba.
Okay, fine, 0%. All these, credit for you. You can do whatever you want, Faldrani.
Oh, really?
Total credit for you.
Really?
Yes. But Faldrani, we need to go and check out what's happening in the news because Bandhus are really waiting to see. Oh my God, what's happening? What's happening with the news?
Well, I'm going to start with happy news.
Oh, please do.
Yes. The happy news is that McDonald's is giving healthcare workers and first responders free thank you meals. Now, isn't that a happy meal?
Faldrani, I want to become a nurse right now or a doctor.
You like McDonald's Happy Meals? I love those Happy Meal toys, dude. That's what I like.
I've never got any toys, dude.
Huh? You should ask for it.
What do you mean ask for it?
Okay, so there's one way. You can order the Happy Meal and then that includes the toy. And typically Happy Meal will have like some kind of a meat burger. If you're a meat eater, it's fine. If you're not, then what you can do is you can order just exactly what you want, like a salad or whatever. And then you can ask for the Happy Meal toy. They'll charge you $1 for it. Yeah.
Well, by the way, Bajay, if you didn't know about that, actually the restaurants which are geared up for drive-thrus and all are becoming very, very busy. Many people actually are going and patronizing those particular restaurants for sure. And I was seeing this morning, I was really surprised. But in a way, I was not surprised also.
Why? What do you mean?
Starbucks, man.
Starbucks
25, 30 cars in line.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding. There were roadblock. I thought like, people are getting back to work. No, they were sitting in the pajamas, wearing masks, and ordering Starbucks.
Yeah. There are people who are like, don't you know?
I'm not plugging. They don't pay us for advertising, so I'm not plugging them. I'm not saying. I by the way, I don't drink Starbucks at all. By the way.
Let me give you a clue also, Banjan. If you are how to deal with the Starbucks line in drive-thrus. Very simple. Just download one of their apps. You can order, and then they have a takeout window. There's a separate window. You can just walk up, you can park your car, walk up.
Talk about Faldrani patronage and stuff. I know. Faldrani is the person.
I figured out.
I'll have a frappuccino with the half milk and the almond, whatever, something and all. And what do you say? Extra hot, extra hot?
No, frappuccino, no way.
What?
Please don't do
I
all
have
that.
bills where you order these things, Faldrani.
A long time ago, not anymore. Okay, let me tell you, Banjam. The reason that some of these spaces you'll see are buzzing with activity is because some Americans are going back to work, even as viruses erase more jobs.
That's true. But anyway, Banjam, let's go see what's happening with the news. Faldrani, what's the news today?
That's one of the news items, Altu Baba. Some workers in Georgia and other US states prepared to go back to work for the first time in a month, as data released on Thursday of people going back to work showing soaring unemployment claims reaffirmed the grim economic toll of the coronavirus pandemic. Reuters tally shows more than 840,000 Americans have been infected and nearly 48,000 have died in this particular outbreak. So if you want to get more information about this, you can go to mediamahima.com. But in Georgia, they're opening, many people are going to be opening their non-essential businesses like hair salons and everything. I can't wait for that in the Bay Area. Really, I miss my stylist so much. It's unbelievable.
I totally agree with you.
Yeah, seriously. I've been messaging her left, right, and center. Are you okay? Are you safe? When are you opening? Every single day I text her almost.
She is doing that.
Yeah.
And I get a text like, is she working? Is she working? Why is she working?
Ah, God. Anyway. Oh, she texts you?
Yeah, I tell you why is she messaging me.
Oh, God.
I'm like, what? Doesn't matter. She's kind of, nervous. So.
So anyway, it's a lot more complicated for women, and especially if you have styled hair, you have colored hair, it's even more difficult. So anyway, we'll know because Governor Newsom is going to be unveiling some reopening plans soon. So we'll bring you those updates every single day around noon. He does a press conference, so we will bring you those updates right here on Good Morning Bay.
That's true.
Let's tell you also that millions of Americans have joined the unemployed ranks as the coronavirus is ravaging the economy. A stunning 26.5 million Americans have sought unemployment benefits over the last 5 weeks, confirming that all the jobs gained during the longest employment boom in U.S. history have been wiped out as the novel coronavirus ravages the economy. The labor market slaughter added to the collapsing oil prices, retail sales, manufacturing, production, home building and home sales in reinforcing economics contention that the economy entered recession in March. Let's look at what's going on across the world also with regard to the coronavirus. There are now confirmed cases, like I mentioned. Reuters tally was saying 842,624 coronavirus cases in the United States. Also in New York, 2 cats became the first pets known to have been infected by the coronavirus.
No,
2
really?
cats.
Cats?
Yes.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, I always knew Batman and Catwoman never got along.
No, they got along very well, actually. They got along very well.
Well, either ways, in this case they didn't.
Okay.
And 8 big cats at the Bronx Zoo have tested positive for coronavirus too. Medical experts have suggested extending social distancing practices to pets until they know more about how the virus affects them.
Wow.
But don't worry, doctors say it's highly unlikely that pets can transmit the disease to humans.
Yeah, but still the pet's going to go through stuff, right? It's going to be painful.
Yeah, unfortunately. Let's talk a little bit about the stimulus spending. House Democrats are planning to set up a powerful oversight committee to investigate how the trillions of dollars in federal coronavirus stimulus money is being spent. The bipartisan group will have the ability to probe the government's response to the coronavirus crisis. The committee is just one of the several watchdog groups dedicated to tracking the hundreds of billions of dollars of aid money being distributed every single day. Some members of the Pandemic Response Accountability Committee. Sorry, my bad. I was trying to do it on my own, but then I had to read it out. Pandemic Response Accountability Committee, including inspectors general from the Departments of Defense, Labor, Justice, Health and Human Services, have already begun or will soon begin the process of auditing the government's response to this particular crisis. Small businesses, well, Congress is facing criticism on what kinds of companies are benefiting from the billions of dollars in the small business relief, which is being offered by the Paycheck Protection Program. Reports show dozens of public companies and well-known restaurant chains have received the money through the program, while some smaller businesses who are really hurting for the money haven't even been able to apply yet. However, the guidelines are not expected to change, but then keep in mind that a new round of funding for the program totaling just south of $500 billion will be voted upon by the House today. Let's go on over to Netherlands. The highest court in Netherlands has ruled that doctors now may legally euthanize some patients who have severe dementia. Meaning if... oh my God, that's terrible, isn't it?
Well, I look at the point of view of the family and also the person suffering. Dementia is when you don't know exactly what's happening. In fact, They don't even know they exist.
That's true, actually. Under the ruling, physicians can now honor written requests that were issued by patients before they developed an advanced form of the disease. Oh, okay. It's based on their healthcare directives.
Yeah.
Even if the patient's current condition means they are unable to confirm that particular request. Euthanasia is legal in the Netherlands if certain criteria are met. These criteria include a well-considered and voluntary decision by the patient, suffering without the possibility of improvement, and a lack of reasonable alternatives. There is some other news coming out with regard to, like how the US economy has been hit so hard, right, Altu? Even Europe lost a lot of jobs, but, it hasn't been like, Europe also, their economy also got hit, but their jobs didn't really disappear the way the US jobs did.
That's because Europe is a socialist economy, right? It's not a capitalist economy. The taxes are pretty high. The unemployment extends beyond 3 months what we have here.
That's true. Actually, when the British economy actually ground to a halt a few weeks ago, Reda Maher is one of the people who they've studied in the story, suddenly found himself in the ranks of unemployed people alongside untold millions of other people around the world. But unlike many others, he can rest easy knowing that money will keep flowing into his bank account until he's called back to work.
Yeah.
You hit the nail on the head there. He says, I woke up a couple of hours later than I normally would, I won't lie. And he says, I took a nice long masked and gloved walk. I got a remote personal training, like a fitness session, in about 20 minutes. Look, he's going about his life like, without as much tension. The United Kingdom recently began paying 80% of the salaries of workers laid off because of the coronavirus pandemic. The government caps the pay at about $3,000 a month. But many employers, including the London-based video streaming service where this person Maher works, add to what the government hands out. So apparently companies are also continuing to pay their employees. So
yeah, because they work remotely, I suppose.
No, they're not.
But they're paying them anyways?
Yes, they're paying them anyways, yeah.
Socialist economy, man. Socialist economy.
Well, I'll share that story. It's a long read, Banjan, so I will share that story with you on MediaMahima.com. Some news about, remember we had talked about how if people are on blood pressure medication and how that aggravates coronavirus. So basically, blood pressure drugs are now in the crosshairs of COVID-19 research. Scientists are baffled by how the coronavirus apparently attacks the body, killing many patients while barely affecting others. But some are tantalized by a clue. A disproportionate number of patients hospitalized by COVID-19, the disease caused by the virus, have high blood pressure. Theories about why the condition makes them more vulnerable and what patients should do about it have sparked a fierce debate amongst scientists over the impact of the widely prescribed blood pressure drugs. How does this impact somebody who is at risk for coronavirus? Well, you'll find out more from this article, which we'll share on MediaMahima.com. Well, that's all we have time for on this morning's Good Morning Bay Punjab. We'll be back tonight live at 5 with the Pam Pam Show, another terrific Thursday edition. Tab tak ke liye, hame ijazat dijiye and have yourself a terrific Thursday.
That's right, Banjan. Of course, the Ganya Kira for you guys coming up right now. Enjoy the song. It's the Bandhu Tu Mera 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 from the movie Jawani Jane Man. Agar dekha hai to jaake dekhega Banjan. I don't think it's available on any stream as of now, but definitely a watch, a must watch. Like we told Phantom. See, you guys love Phantom, right? This is also going to be interesting. Have a terrific Thursday. See you in the evening at 5 live.
खुदगर्जियों से भरे आजा लम्हे चुरा ले सभी कल की करे हम क्यों फिक्र साथ लम्हे बिता ले अभी ना तेरे